So hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another tutorial for you all guys, and today we will be creating this pixel dither effect. So let's get started with the tutorial. Now open After Effects and drag and drop your footage into the timeline. So our first step will be adding a posterize effect into our main footage, and then let's keep the value to 3. We can change it later if we want, but for now let's keep it 3. Now we will create a new solid layer and let's name it CC ball, and then we will go to the effects panel and search for CC ball action and drag and drop it on our solid layer. Now let's change our grid spacing to 4 and our ball size, let's keep it around 40. Now we will add a Gaussian blur and let's keep the value to around 5 to 6 as it suits, because we don't want too much blur, we just want to smooth the pixels. Okay, so the next effect that we will be adding is CC composite. The CC composite lets you mix the layer's original appearance with the modified one, and plus we can also change our blending mode here. Let's try another blending mode, maybe it will look good. Let's go with hard light. We have already got our pixel dither effect. The next step is just adding some element to it so that it looks good. So we will create a new adjustment layer and then we will drag and drop a tritone effect. In the tritone effect, you can choose your own colors, customize it as I'm doing it right now. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial guys. I hope you liked this tutorial, and please do subscribe my channel and like this video and comment down from which country you are watching this tutorial from. Thank you so much and have a nice day.